The inspiration for this cake came from a friend of mine called Mickey Espinoza. Mickey's a tattoo artist in America, and he put out a drawing on Facebook, and I saw it and I thought I just cannot resist asking him whether I could turn this drawing into a 3-piece work of art. The cake is 100% chocolate cake, sculpted from scratch with some modelling chocolate details, and then it is covered in fondant and painted with all edible materials. I will be putting up a diary of an extreme caker soon, and it will star this guy, so stay tuned for that on YouTube. So without further ado, here's the progress video.